Commission Paul of Africa to give rest to those that believe.
The African Apostolic Church of Apostle of Africa, number 8, Jefferson Road, Logan Park, Hatfield, Harare. We are pleased to inform you that this week in Cape Town, we are being visited by the leaders of the African Apostolic Church led by Mutitisi Ernest Paul Maza of Africa. The leaders visiting us are as follows: Bishop Alfred Kushamisa Maja, who was mentioned by Mutitisi Ernest Paul Maza of Africa in a letter written down by his personal aide, Evangelist Kasima, on 28 February 2020, at the age of 4, when we are at a church gathering in the absence of Mutitisi Ernest Paul Maza of Africa. Bishop Ngoni Edward Maja, the eldest son of Mutitisi Ernest Paul Maza of Africa, famously known as Magesi in the African Apostolic Church cycles, meaning electric fire that burns all satanic powers. The chairman of the African Apostolic Church, Bishop Elson Itafa, who is the editor of the Divine Commission of Ernest Paul Maza of Africa, Chikamu Chekutanga, Netikamu Chechipiri, the author of the African Apostolic Church, Buku Mutungamiri, and he has always worked in the Holy of Holies, assisting the servant of God, Mutitisi Ernest Paul Maza of Africa, and the General Secretary of the African Apostolic Church, Bishop Richard Juru, who was seen by Mutitisi Ernest Paul Maza of Africa on 27 August 1985 in a revelation, preparing the wishes of believers, all those who do not understand the interpretation of the word of Holy Spirit, spoken by Mutitisi Ernest Paul Maza of Africa on 28 February 2020. You are cordially invited to have your questions answered. The sick are healed and great works of God will be performed. Mark 16, verse 15. We will announce the gathering venue early this week. For more information, please feel free to contact Bishop Masimba Jaimaja on 084-802-3231, Reverend S. Juru on 068-342-1302, Reverend Chakanyuka on 0813-048-538, Evangelist O. Davamurum on 073-424-0468. The spell of Jesus is